Hey guys, Texas Chainsaw. Don't mind my bed. Oh my gosh. I was about to say, I hope my voice is louder than the game this time, but this lobby music is threatening my ears. I have a surprise for myself actually. I got Maria, and I took everything out of Anna. I just put it straight into Maria. I don't care. I like her better. I like her power better, and her basic stats were better than Anna's. Also, I put all of my attributes from Maria into proficiency. I put some into stealth though. I had fun with this last time, so we're doing a second part. Hopefully I do just as good, because I did pretty good with Connie. Not gonna lie. I usually suck at this game, but when I was recording, my avatar state came, and I actually did pretty good. I think I died once, maybe twice. I played 3 games, so I think it was just once. Anyways, on to the actual game. Look, wait, no, I probably need to get off first. I was on TikTok. Cloak and Dagger are getting Funko Pops. I'm going to buy those as soon as I can. Why they're not in the same pack, I don't know, or the same Funko Pop
I've done this before.
in, like, general, like my Killer Cleanse from Outer Space one. They're together. I don't know, but whatever, I guess. I'm still buying them both. Also, I just now realized this. If you're wondering if I'm wearing the same shirt as the first part, I am, but I'm not. I have 3 of the same shirt. They're all my sleep shirts. And my house shirts. Mind your own, Nancy. How is someone already dead? Okay. So, Maria's power is she can sweet talk Grandpa to being on your side, so he'll help you.
I need that.
For one sonar, I think, he'll show you where the killers are instead of the killers where you are. And the Nancy has seen you thing that just popped up on the side of my screen. Nancy's power is that she can see through your eyes, I guess. I don't know if it's first person. If it is, I feel like it's not that helpful, especially without good map knowledge. If it's third person, it's probably pretty helpful. I wouldn't buy a killer though. I only bought Maria because I like Survivor so much better. Okay.
He'll help us. I know I can make him.
I want to show y'all her power.
I think this leads out.
It's not that extravagant or anything, but we have to wait for the thing to come back. My cooldown. It's pretty fast cooldown, actually. What the?
Sweetie!
Bye. I don't care. I'm not even gonna risk it. What the? Why did I just fall straight down like that? Hopefully she doesn't know there's an entrance close. Can Nancy go down ladders? I'm not for sure, honestly.
I think I heard my friends. They found me. Oh, I can't believe it.
I will get that sweet talk. I don't care. What the? Is there barbed wire on the thing? Okay. I can just walk around. Sweet. Okay.
This looks familiar.
You should be some. Ah. He should be somewhere close. Is he outside? Bruh. I'm just gonna use my ability again. Oh my gosh, she was right there. That sucks. At least we know.
I know this place. I can find a way out.
How am I already the last one? I wasn't even trying to escape, I was just trying to use my power. I don't care. I'm still using it. And I'll kill your stupid grandpa too. He can die. Yeah. I don't care. Y'all suck anyway. I suck worse, but that doesn't matter.
See what? I don't much enjoy being violent, but I got no choice.
I hate the cook from the movie. He's honestly so annoying. Oh yeah, I got skill points. He's so mean to the hitchhiker, and I hate it. The hitchhiker's also like a cannibal, but it doesn't matter. He's nice. He's sweet. Ew, I don't want to play with sweet. That sucks. It's so annoying. The survivors just lose any ability to escape. On to the next one. That one was bad. Genuinely, this lobby is scaring me. Especially that Johnny down there. Johnnies are overpowered, like every time. It can swing infinitely, it feels like. Also, I got Maria to level 2.
Reported at the abandoned slaughterhouse outside of Hills Prairie. Deputies responded to a caller
have you
reporting
seen
loud
the
noises
Doomsday,
Police
Marvel
investigated the site and found
the
evidence of
witches thing
trespassing and
with
minor
the
equipment theft, but
rose-colored
suspect it's
robes?
merely the work of local vandals.
Waiting for a red one, because I do want one to die.
Unidentified male
I
has
don't
been
care.
discovered near Devil's River off Highway 163. southwest
There was never a
Texas.
body. Well, there kind of was in Agatha all along, but it was a fake body, so it doesn't matter. I feel like everybody does this faster than me. I honestly don't think I've ever won a close encounter with the knives fighting the family members. I've had a sneak attack before. It didn't help, but I did do it. Really? Really? Okay.
Is it a lockpick?
She's just happy to show her location to everybody, I guess. And wake up Grandpa. Just because I can turn him to our side doesn't mean you need to wake him up.
Oh, finally. This is what I was looking for.
Okay, let's get going. I'm not explaining any of my gameplay. It's all gonna be bad anyway, so suck it up. If you want to hear me explain what I'm doing or how the game works, you can go to the first part. It makes more sense there. How is he? Oh, yeah. Oh, never mind. He's stupid.
Judy? I can't believe what I'm seeing.
This guy's genuinely still unaware, but
Can't be.
freaking Julie woke up Nugget. Oh, the chicken's name is Nugget. I found that out.
Finally, a way to. Maybe I can open those doors. I gotta find a way.
Where am I going? Where are the doors?
My poor friends. What did I do? I need to help them. We have to screw
There.
away. Oh my god.
You better not have let him to us. I'll kill you. What the? Who opened this?
Get you out of here.
Ah! Run!
You know. Leads me.
Sorry, Sonny. can't see. I think she ran past. I think we're good. No! Okay, we need a plan. I honestly don't know what I'm doing this guy. Crap, they're both moving. I think it's safe to start moving. Okay, there's a well right next to you. Where's that freaking noise coming from? Level 3 already? I would go find him and put him down a notch, but my teammates aren't going to open any doors. They're dead, so I have to open my own doors. I think as long as Johnny doesn't find any footprints, I might just be okay. They don't have a cook or a Nancy or anything, because there's no other way they can find me. Why does the sword feel like it's harder to unlock? It's definitely acting harder to unlock.
That worked.
Okay. I think I'm actually gonna make it. Okay, I think if I move while I think hitting the generator catches me, so I'm not gonna do it. Okay, now. I always feel like this takes forever. Does proficiency upgrade this too? I feel like it might. I think it does, because that used to take long. Hey, I'm gonna get out. Hey, that dude got out too.
I can
Sweet,
make it.
easy escape. Those guys
Oh,
suck.
fuck, I didn't see the
Generator. Yeah, we were over there chasing down that one.
Oh, well.
Why does he kind of
Good
actually
shit.
talk? Does he have a southern accent? So, apparently as soon as you get level 10, you get into sweat lobbies. We got Virginia and a Wyatt here, that's fun. And then, I feel like nobody plays Virginia. Why am I keep saying I feel like about everything. Oh, those are cool. I want to see the perks. The white ones are considered unique to the survivor. Wait, why does Wyatt have the start off perks? That's weird. And then a stupid Johnny again. Oh, it's at Nancy's house. I'm gonna get out. I don't care. I definitely am. That map's so easy to me. I don't anybody even dies on it. Actually, I'm about to brutally get killed. Like immediately. It's gonna be bad. Just because I said that, I jinxed myself. Turns out Wyatt also spawns upside down, not just Sunny. Sony. Oh, that guy.
Thank God.
Last round, I said, wait, is he talking with a country accent? He was doing a fake country accent. What the? Okay. Really? Was the bone scrap that necessary that you needed to wake him up and let all the other players down here? So much for being level 10. Why is level 10 the max level anyway? Okay. I was turned to my side, so I was too skinny for him to see me, you know? Don't bring him over here! Oh my gosh, that was so loud. Is this how pros play? They don't care. They know they can survive anyway. They find a door. I'm just assuming they're pros, because as soon as I got level 10, I started getting lobbies with only level 10s. My account level, or player level, is, I think, almost 20, actually.
Oh, thank God it's open. This is horrible.
Virginia's being very...
Don't come over here. Please.
You close that door.
I feel like we can get through this. If we stay close. Please.
Hi, Virginia. Ah! No, how do I help? How do I help? Let's go. Virginia! I tried to help. I'm sorry.
Where did you go?
Johnnies are literally so scary. Why does their character do so much damage but can run infinitely? That's what it feels like. No! Please! Okay, he's not that way. He's not doing that way. He's definitely doing that way. 2 hits and every time. No! Brutal death, as I said. Yeah, we get it. Five. We need an escape. At least one. Please. Okay,
Done this before.
we will go
I
this
can
way.
do this. Oh
Ah!
my
Okay, we're good, we're good.
What are they doing to me?
Close that. Close.
Wait, I should take that. Good one, Leland.
Maria, is that really you?
Oh, thank God.
What did those monsters do to you?
Why'd you leave the door open?
I know this will work.
Why are you using that on yourself?
It'll
Whatever,
be tough
dude.
toenails now.
What the? I swear these people don't know how to play the game.
I can get through here.
Is that a killer? Stop. He can get through!
Oh yeah, love me some prime meat.
What did you just call me? He can get through that too! I thought he was one of the characters that could get through everything like that.
Bad to the bone. Bad for your bone.
Okay, we need to get out of here. Come on, please. They're all down here. No.
Hey, get out!
Get through.
Fight! Over here!
I can make it.
I heard a door shut. They're over here. Ah, go! I latched it. Come on, climb.
Stay with me.
Leland, you better.
Protect you.
I need heals. Thank goodness.
God, I need that.
Wait, why are you hiding?
Well,
others around here ain't so understanding. I can help you.
Why is she protecting
think.
Grandpa?
Just think, there's got to be a way out.
I need to get going. Oh my gosh. I saw the fuse box in here. Okay. Oh gosh, Matt. What? No, that won't work.
Okay,
Three.
get away from these monsters.
And 4. Oh no. 6 and 5. It's all the way over there? No way I'm making time today. Where is even the, like, door down? Okay, there. No way I'm making all the way over there. Maybe one of my teammates does? They can live on corner. So honestly, I don't think I can. Do they know? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna escape.
Maria, over here.
Hey dude, we gotta run.
The fuse. They're everywhere.
It looked like it was this way. We just have to hope they don't shut off the fuse box in time. Did they know the fuse box is? Does it automatically? Okay, that's not the door. I thought it was. It's not. No! I was so close.
We're gone for now.
What's the best option? We backtrack.
Gotta help me.
Open it back up. Then leave. This time we know where it is. We can get out faster. Let's just go ahead and use this. Who knows if we'll get a chance to. Okay, just 2 of these.
Okay, I can just make it to the road. I think there's a house nearby.
Ooh, Hitchhiker could have put
away.
that on Dang no. I'm pretty sure bone scraps can let you deactivate it. Dang it, there's people right over there.
This is all my fault. You're here because of me. I'm so sorry.
Where is it at?
This is all my fault.
It's that one. Okay, now we gotta go.
Get away from these monsters.
Doesn't matter if Grandpa sees me or whatever. Just drop.
I know this place. I can find a way out.
No way they close any time. Am I going the correct direction? I think I am, honestly. Oh my gosh. Get out.
Come back.
Thank you. That's my first basement escape. Oh, was I the only survivor? I think I was. Sole survivor? My name? Oh, no. That guy escaped. Well, whatever. It counts. It's been longer than 15 minutes, but that's okay. I had a good time. If y'all want a part 3, I definitely wouldn't mind it, because this game is very fun. Sorry there was no good chases or whatever. That last escape was good, though. First basement escape ever. I was ready to fight. I had 2 knives and everything. I was prepared. I was probably going to die anyway if I had to fight anybody, but I didn't. Tell me if you want a part 3, and please give me new vlog ideas. There was quite a few good ones in my community post on, like, in the comments. One in particular was going through my Letterboxd watch list and rating the movies and everything. I think that was a good idea. I'll probably do that one. It'll probably be my next video, actually. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.